The Toucan Video Conference System HD is perfect for small teams or solo calls. The easy-to-use plug-and-play functionality means you can be up and running in no time. Simply plug it in, launch your conference software, and you're good to go. The Toucan Connect Video Conference System HD comes complete with everything you need to get your conference up and running. The HD wide-angle camera, the speaker unit, interchangeable UK and EU plug heads, a display mount and adapter unit for the camera so it can be detached from the speaker and placed elsewhere, a USB cable to connect the speaker to your computer or laptop, a power cable, an additional cable to connect the camera unit back to the speaker. It also contains all the info needed about customer support, warranty, user manuals, and different languages. So let's take a closer look at each item. First thing to note, the speaker feels high quality and well built. It has a 5-watt speaker and 4 microphones. The camera unit has a connector in the bottom so it can be attached to the speaker directly, an adapter and mount so it can be mounted elsewhere, which is pretty clever and a unique feature. It has a good length power cable and 2 different plug heads for UK and EU, so great for business travel. The item comes with 2 USB cables. One is to attach it to your computer and the other for attaching the camera back to the speaker and mounted elsewhere.